Just ahead of time, if a couple of you guys, I'd say most of you, go to a computer and just log in, because we're going to be working with Google Maps. So you guys can, like, there'll be like activity. Give you a couple of seconds to do that.
Disneyland, or else you can't get in the park in the first place. So why is it important? You don't want to go over your budget because that kind of sucks, because then you got to get more money. You don't want to go under your budget. I mean, you could go under your budget, but then obviously you didn't have optimal fun, essentially. An easy way to save up the correct amount of money is to form a budget before your road trip, I suppose. And over planning is better than under planning. Obviously, you'd want to have more money in your bank account than less money.
Yes. And the one way to do that is we're going to look up different routes between Laramie, Wyoming, and Anaheim, California, or Anaheim. This is just, we didn't pick a specific route because we kind of wanted your guys' input on, like, if you're an elementary kid, kind of what way you guys would want to go. Since this is an elementary class, we don't want to, like, make you guys act like elementary classes, like Dr. Shepard said all the time. So we're kind of doing both back and forth. So this straight line, it says it's 4 hours and 15 minutes. Of course, you can never be able to drive that fast. So that is the plain route. We could decide to go to plain route if you guys really wanted to, but you guys find out in the long run that it would be cheaper to drive than to fly. You know what I mean? And kids, like, you don't really want to take little kids on a flight. You'd much rather take them on a car, I would think. But there's two different routes. So what would we do to find out how much gas we needed? What would we need to know? Huh? Come on, you guys all have vehicles.
How far we could get with a tank of gas.
Okay, so great. So we said that our average family minivan or car that we had in our little family goes about 20 miles to the gallon. Okay,
so there's two options for the way there and the way back. Option one is fast food, which is a lot cheaper, but you have kids too. And that would be around $80 4 times stopping. You know, you get hungry sometimes. But then the other option is dining out every time you stop to eat, and that's a lot longer too, on the way there and the way back, and that'd be a lot more, about $200. So what do you guys think? Would you like to do fast food, or would you like to dine out every time?
Getting.
How are you gonna get back?
Exactly. So what would we do if you wanted to take the same route back? We obviously could go a second route, but since we already traveled this route, we know that, like, the road conditions are okay. There wasn't a whole lot of construction going on. We want to take the same route back. How will we know how much it costs to double back?
Plane ticket.
What are you gonna do with your car? Leave it in California?
It's a minivan.
So hopefully someone takes it. I hate that thing. So all you would do is double it. So if we want to double it, I mean, I could do it, but I'm just trying to, like, make this an activity. Huh?
254-ish.
That's one, right? 254-ish for our budget.
So 2.62.
2.62.
255.62.
Oh, okay. Great. So now, what we just did is found out. Sorry, that's so small. Why are you guys laughing at me? Am I doing this wrong? Oh. Great. So what we just did is we figured out the budget for how to get from Laramie, Wyoming to Disneyland. So that is our budget for gas.
So the next thing you'll need is to eat. Everybody likes to eat, right? So we chose 2 options for the way there and the way